Assalamu alaikum. I am Asif Kamal, your English teacher. I hope all of you guys are doing well at home. Our today's lecture is on optative sentences. These are those sentences in which we express wish, desire, and prayer. So look at the pattern: may and then assertive. For example, may you live long, wish you all the best, long live the king. So these are some examples to identify the optative sentences. We're going to come to this part, optative sentences. For making indirect speech of optative sentences, said of the reporting verb is changed according to the optative word of reporting speech. देखिए जिस काइंड का जिस टाइप का सेंटेंस होगा उसको उसके अकॉर्डिंग चेंज करेंगे. ठीक है. A list of such words is given below. Good morning, wished. Good evening, wished. Good afternoon, wished. And good night, bid. Goodbye, again bid. Farewell, bid. Would that, wished. Oh that, again wished. So look at some examples. He said to me, may you live long. It may be both a pray or wished. He wished that I might live long. may जो है वो might में चेंज हो जाएगा क्योंकि पहले हमारे पास रिपोर्टिंग पार्ट जो है वो पास्ट के अंदर है. दैट्स वाई. She said, may your enemy go to the hell. Indirect. She cursed that my enemy might go to hell. And again, third sentence, Seema said to me, may God bless you with children. And indirect of this sentence, Seema prayed that God might bless me with children. So these are some examples. I have given some more example for your ease. Look at the first sentence. Mother said, may you be successful in life. Indirect of this sentence, mother wished that I might be successful in life. Then he said, may you come round soon. He wished that I might come round soon. Again, next sentence, mother said, may you pass in the CGPA 5. CGPA ये हम मास्टर्स डिग्री के लिए BS ऑनर में इनका आप कर रहे हो, BS कर रहे हो, या फिर आप MPhil कर रहे हो तो वहाँ पर CGPA का ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है यूज़ होता है. Indirect speech, mother wish that I might pass in the exam. Yeah, I might pass in the CGPA 5. Next sentence, mother said, may you do well in the examination. Mother wished that I might do well in the examination. And again, next sentence, they said, may our president live long. Indirect speech, they wish that their president might live long. So these are some examples that I have chosen for you people for understanding. Okay, look at this exercise. This exercise is the mixture of both exclamatory and optative sentences. As you know, we have already done exclamatory part, but today we are going to deal with optative sentences. So pick out the optative sentences and do it by your own. And you are supposed to do at least 10 sentences by your own. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.